Yes, children. Now with the for its continuation, we will see what next step. We will say metallurgy. Metallurgy means now we will go through the process of extraction of metal from their ores. This process of extraction of metal from ore is known as metallurgy. Now what are the steps which we are going to study for the extraction of metals? First, crushing or grinding. Second, concentration. Third, extraction of crude metal from concentrated ore. As soon as we have removed the impurities, what is left behind, from that we have to extract the metal. Next is refining of this crude metal. What metal we are getting in the crude form has to be refined. Out of these four steps, we will study one at a time each. First we will see crushing. This crushing means from the earth crust we will get a big lumps of this minerals. Ores will be in the form of a big lumps that has to be first broken into small pieces and then to convert into powder state. So that in that case we have to use either stamp mill or ball mill. Stamp mill means a big hammer. It crush and this process is known as pulverization. Next we'll see the concentration. Concentration means removal of impurities. This removal of impurities means as soon as impurities is removed, what is left behind is having more metal rather than the impurities. So impurities is also known as gangs or matrix here, and this process of concentration is also known as ore dressing or beneficiation. These two terms can also be used for the concentration of ore. Now the different methods that we are adopting for the metallurgy, this concentration of ore. Here I have given a study. Today will study only 3 steps. The next step in a next video. First we will see the hand picking. Hand picking means like simple removing stone from rice. That means impurities are very distinct. You can see with your naked eye and can be removed by your hand. So this is the hand picking method. Second is the hydraulic washing. Hydraulic washing is also known as levication. In this, a special type of wooden plank has been arranged. The main principle behind this method, hydraulic washing, is that when the particles are heavier than the impurities, when our ore particle is more and impurities are lighter in weight, or sometimes the reverse can also happen. In this, as soon as ore is placed here and a stream of water has been added, forced on this plank, and this here small grooves are there. As soon as along with the water this ore is moved down, the heavier particles get settled in these grooves and the lighter impurities is then washed away. This is known as hydraulic washing. Third is electromagnetic separation. This method is generally used for those type of ores which are having magnetic properties, having tendency to attract towards magnet. In this you can see this structure, this diagram. In this, this is known as electromagnetic roller. There are 2 wheels are there. One is static, another is rotating. On this wheel there is a belt. Movement of belt is also there, and to the one end there is one cup arrangement from where powdered ore is added. And as soon as this belt is moving, this side, this one is having magnetic property in it. When this powdered ore moves, the substance, the impurities which are non-magnetic is thrown away, and the ore, if it is magnetic, is taken to the another side, and 2 heaps are formed that are separated. Now here I have written some ore which are used to undergo the concentration process by this method, electromagnetic separation method. The chromite. This chromite is the ore of chromium. Magnetite, ore of iron. Pyrolusite, ore of manganese. In these all 3, iron, chromium and manganese, these 3 are having the magnetic property and can be forming the heat towards the magnet, and impurities are thrown away. There is one more. It is the ore of tin, cassiterite, SnO2. In this ore is non-magnetic, but impurities are having magnetic property. So ore will be thrown away and impurities will be taken in another container and is been attracted by the magnet. So these are the 3 simple method. Next method, that is rotation method, and leaching, will discuss in the next class.